you tired of being caught without power during camping trips or unexpected outages? Today I'm reviewing the Powkey 200W portable power bank with a 40-watt solar panel. This compact powerhouse promises to keep your devices charged off-grid. Let's dive in. First up, what's in the box? You get the 146 watt-hour power station, a 40-watt foldable solar panel, an AC adapter, a car charging cable, and a user manual. The power bank itself is surprisingly compact, just 7.87 by 5.71 by 1.81 inches and weighing 3 pounds. That's lighter than most laptops, perfect for tossing in a backpack. Now ports. On the front, you'll find two 110-volt AC outlets, pure sine wave, a DC port, and 4 USB ports. The AC outlets can deliver up to 200 watts total, which means you can run small appliances like a mini fridge, a fan, or even a coffee maker. Just avoid anything over 200 watts. The pure sine wave output is a big plus, as it's safe for sensitive electronics like laptops and CPAP machines. No weird noises or crashes. Charging the power bank is fast, thanks to the 15 volts 2-aunt DC input. It takes about 5 to 6 hours to fully charge via wall outlet. The included 40-watt solar panel is IP65 waterproof and folds up like a laptop. In good sunlight, it can charge the power bank in about 5 to 8 hours, but results vary. The panel also has a kickstand and eyelets for hanging. Battery capacity is 146 watt-hour, enough to charge a smartphone about 14 times, a laptop 2 times, or run a 10-watt light for 14 hours. 4 LED indicators show battery level precisely. Build quality is solid. The power bank has a sleek matte finish and a handle for easy carrying. Safety features include overcharge, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection. The lithium-polymer battery cells are grade A and certified with CE, FCC, ROHS, UL, MSDS, and UN 38.3 marks. Powkey offers a 30-day money-back guarantee and warranty. In the real world, I tested it by charging my iPhone 14 twice and still had 50% left. Then I ran a mini fridge for 3 hours, no issues. The solar panel worked well under direct sunlight, but was slower on cloudy days. Overall, it's a reliable backup for camping, road trips, or emergencies. Would I recommend it? If you need a lightweight, versatile power station with solar capability, the Powkey 200W is a solid choice. It's not meant to power a house, but for small devices and short-term use, it's excellent. Check out the link in the description for current pricing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear reviews.